Hi, my name is Bill. I work with Florida Southwestern State College. I have almost 20 years of experience as a firefighter paramedic, including hospital experience, and I work here as an assistant program coordinator for our corporate simulation and training division, and today we're going to be discussing the importance of our IFAK. So, you may be wondering what an IFAK is. That stands for Individual First Aid Kit. Here at FSW, you should find this in every classroom inside the podium. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. Each kit comes with one set of large gloves. They will come packaged like this. Please remember, your safety comes first. Please protect yourself against blood-borne pathogens. Our next item is our alcohol prep pads. These are important to minimize infection rates. These can be used to clean minor cuts, scrapes, and abrasions. A common item you may be looking for is Band-Aids, which can also help with cuts, scrapes, and abrasions. Our next item is our trauma shears. These are used to cut away clothing to expose life-threatening bleeding and injuries. Our next item is medical tape. This can be used to secure bandages to the body or the wound so they do not fall off. Our next two items can be used in conjunction. This is our Z-fold compression gauze, and this is our compression wrap. For severe bleeding, we can put the compression gauze over the wound, and we can wrap the wound with our wrap right here. Our next item is our tourniquet. This can be used for very severe bleeding that cannot be managed with gauze or wrap. Please note the time and the date when you apply this. Our next item is our quick clot. This will be used for puncture wounds such as gunshots and stab wounds. Our next item is our triangle bandage. This is a sling that can be used for minor breaks in the arm that'll secure the arm in a 90-degree fashion as such. Our next item is our elastic bandage. This can be used to secure gauze for minor bleeding, and it can also be used for minor aches and sprains. For our final item, we have our thermal blanket. Remember, cold blood does not clot. We need to cover our patient with this blanket to keep their internal body temperature warm. I would like to thank you for watching this video. If you would like to learn more about any classes we offer here at FSW in regard to Stop the Bleed or any other first aid class we offer, please go to www.fsw.edu/corporate-training/AHA, or if you would like to reach out to myself or anybody on my team, reach out at aha@fsw.edu. Thank you and have a great day.